So now what I also have here is an apple. I'm going to take the apple, cut one side of it, and also just make some nice 1/4-inch thick slices. With this, I'm also just going to fan them out like that, and place them right here on the salad. Gives a nice eye appeal to the salad. I also have some scallions, which I love, which is just a green onion. I've cut them nice on the bias. I'm going to place these just like that, just for some extra flavor. To demonstrate how I cut those, I'm going to take the scallion. I'm going to hold my knife on an angle, and as I do it, it's going to do a nice rocking motion to slice these on the angle. Gives a nice look to it. So those are my scallions. Again, right on the salad. You always want to make sure that you wipe down your station. Keep everything nice and neat, orderly. You'll be able to do things a lot easier.